Hello. By default, Windows is sending Microsoft data about everything you do on your PC. Here's how to turn some of that off. So we're going to go to settings. We're going to right click the start button. We're going to go to settings. And then we'll go to the left here to privacy and security. And then from privacy and security, you can turn off things like recommendations and offers. So you could turn off personalized offers, advertising, recommended offers. All these things track your data, and Windows will try to offer you things in the form of ads. And we can turn all this off. Advertising ID, all these things can be turned off. Typically, if you install a version of Windows on your own PC by yourself, you could turn these off before you even get installed. But if you receive a computer, if you buy a new computer, these things are usually on. So you could turn these off. And if you go back to privacy and security and you go to search, you can turn off search indexing. So turn off your search history so it doesn't index everything that you search for and doesn't send that data back to Microsoft. You can turn off search highlights as well. Those don't really help you in your day-to-day for your PC. Let's go back to privacy and security. And we could also turn off stuff like location. Location services can be turned off. There's no need for them to be on for a home PC or even a laptop. If we go back to privacy and security, we go to camera. You can turn off camera access altogether if you do have a camera on your PC, or you can turn on camera access and then turn it off for the apps that don't need them. Typically, most of these apps, a lot of apps will ask you if you want the camera and microphone on. Some of them don't. Some of it is on by default. Same thing for microphone. If we go back to privacy and security, you can turn off the microphone in general, or you can do like we did in the camera and just turn microphone on and then turn off the apps that you don't want to use a microphone. And that's just a couple things you could do to stop Windows telemetry and ad tracking. Hope this helps.